Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to transfer Solana from Robinhood to your Phantom wallet. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and log in. Tap on Get Started to create a crypto wallet if you haven't already. Set a 6-digit PIN and finish the setup. Once you're inside, tap Receive. Then select Deposit Crypto and search for Sol or Solana and copy your deposit address. Now, open the Phantom Wallet app, tap Receive, choose Solana, and copy your wallet address. Go back to Robinhood, paste your Phantom address, enter the amount of Solana you want to send, and confirm the transfer. And that's it. You've successfully transferred Solana from Robinhood to your Phantom wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.